Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting your sewing journey, having the right sewing machine can make all the difference. Today I'm counting down the top 5 best sewing machines on the market right now. These machines are perfect for everything from simple repairs to creating your own fashion masterpieces. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. So, let's dive in. Coming in at number 5 is the Janome Horizon Memory Craft 8200 QCP Special Edition. This Janome model is a 2-for-1 machine, as it can serve as both a sewing machine and a quilting machine, making it an efficient option for users who want to do both types of projects. It's pricey, and some users did feel there was a bit of a learning curve when performing certain tasks. So while it's probably not the best option for a casual user or someone new to sewing, it could be worth the investment for a more serious and advanced needleworker. Janome is known for producing durable, reliable machines that are also relatively low maintenance, so you can expect to get years of use out of them. This is a trusty workhorse that can meet the demands of serious crafters who plan to create many quilting or sewing designs. One user review noted that the wide neck is ideal for larger quilts. Users also rave about how quiet and easy to use this machine is. At number 4, we have the Singer Patchwork 7285Q Sewing. Nearly half, 49% of our survey respondents indicated that ease of use is an attribute they would look for in a sewing machine. If this is also one of your priorities, then a beginner-friendly model like the Singer Patchwork might be right for you. King says the versatility of this Singer makes it a good starter option. The Singer 7285Q is a great computerized machine for a beginner sewist or for someone who isn't quite sure what their main focus will be, as it gives the customer the option to quilt or use as a regular machine, she explains. This sewing machine has 100 built-in stitches, including decorative options, and a total of 203 stitch applications. It also includes roughly $300 worth of useful accessories, including several types of feet, a seam ripper, an extension table, and quilting accessories. Garnering mostly positive user reviews, customers praise the machine's durability and easy operation. It comes with an automatic needle threader, which 43% of survey takers marked as a feature they'd want in a sewing machine. Though handy, one reviewer noted it may require a few tries to master. Luckily, the Singer website features several videos demonstrating the machine's various features and functions. Taking the number 3 spot is the Singer Heavy Duty 4411 sewing machine. Singer is one of the most well-known sewing machine brands, and this 4411 model is a popular choice for those seeking a dependable workhorse that can handle tough projects but won't break the bank. The Singer 4411 is one of our best sellers, says King. It's a great price for a heavy-duty mechanical machine. This machine would be a good one for customers that are looking to get into upcycling because it has a 1-amp motor and has higher piercing power and speeds than some other machines. That means it's powerful enough to handle thick layers of fabric. This machine is also an Amazon's Choice product with more than 5,000 5-star reviews. Users seem to appreciate its ease of use for beginners and simple projects involving mainly straight stitches. That said, a few buyers did report issues with it malfunctioning after a short amount of time, finding it less sturdy and durable than vintage machines. Some have also noted that the needle placement seems off-center. Singer does offer a warranty covering manufacturing defects on the frame for 25 years, on the electronic and electrical parts for 2 years, and on the mechanical parts and adjustments for 90 days. Coming in at number 2 is the Brother FB 1757T 17-stitch. This budget-friendly model from Brother may not come with a lot of bells and whistles that you would find in higher-priced models, but it'd likely work just fine for a casual sewing enthusiast. While the number of stitch options is lower than you find with many other models, it does offer both utility and decorative options, which should suffice for basic sewing projects. It doesn't have a lot of high-tech features, so it may not be sophisticated enough for those who like fancy, cutting-edge options, but customer reviewers have recommended it for novice users, noting that operation is simple and straightforward. Others praise the smoothness with which it glides through projects. This machine is one that comes recommended by Chloe King, a sewing tech buyer for craft supplies retailer Joann Fabrics. King notes that one standout feature of this model is the included extension table, a helpful feature for quilting. Plus, the bright LED light makes it easy to see what you're working on. And finally, the number one spot goes to the Brothers CS7000X 70 stitch. This CS7000X sewing machine from Brother checks all the important boxes for a basic all-purpose sewing machine. It's a computerized model with an LCD display, though customer reviews have noted the display isn't backlit, which can make it hard to see in the dark. Plenty of automatic features help guide you through the process, making it a good choice for beginners. It has 70 stitches ranging from essential to decorative, which should be more than enough for many users. It comes with 10 feet accessories for sewing and quilting, making it versatile for a variety of projects. It comes with a protective case that makes it easy to take this machine wherever you need to go, and it's lightweight enough to be portable. Many reviewers have praised the setup for being easy to learn and operate. Some have reported difficulty understanding the instruction manual, but Brother also offers video tutorials and tips to help users get started. So there you have it, the top 5 best sewing machines. Be sure to check the links in the description below for the latest prices and availability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Happy sewing, and I'll see you in the next one.